Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change screen timeout on OPPO A5m. Let's begin. First you want to go into settings, then in the settings head into display and brightness. Now scroll down a little until you see auto screen off. We can click on it, and as you can see now we can change from 10 minutes, which is not default is 30 seconds I believe, to anything you like. 10 minutes is pretty cool, but it does waste a little bit of battery, so I will lower it down to 2 minutes, since I do think that 2 minutes is probably the best amount you can have. Of course it totally depends on how you use your phone, it's just for me. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.